hungry, and sometimes it needs a little bit of planning to be able to nourish yourself. So if you are in that stage, if you are in that early stage of postpartum or in the middle of postpartum, as we know, postpartum never ends. So whatever it is, you can try this recipe. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Okay, but it's packed with protein, it's packed with carbs, fiber, and also a whole lot of essential minerals and vitamins. So let's go ahead and get started. So I have rolled oats here. I'm gonna add 1 cup, okay, and then I have my hemp seed. Hemp seed is 4 tablespoons. So this is about 20 grams of protein. And that's huge, okay? So I'm gonna add that in, and I have my chia seed. Chia seed is excellent for constipation. It's really excellent to keep you full. It also has a lot of fiber and a lot of healthy fat. Excuse me. So when you add chia seed, it helps when you have constipation, postpartum constipation, or even when you are pregnant and you are really struggling with constipation. Chia seed is excellent. Excuse me. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some black seed. So that's the reason why I said this is postnatal recipe for the postpartum phase. Okay, so if you are pregnant, you can do the same thing. You can use all the ingredients except that you won't add the black seed. Okay, because black seed is really, there's mixed research whether you can use it during pregnancy or you can use it you cannot use it during pregnancy. So just to be on the safer side, you can choose what you want to use it or not to use it. And if you have to use it sparingly. Don't overdo it. Do it little by little, in moderation. Everything in moderation. But as we know, black seed has been approved by our Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam that it is one of the beautiful, beautiful blessings of Allah that can cure every disease except death. So there is no like back and forth with that statement when you are a Muslim, right? So if you are interested in trying black seed, go ahead, try it. But I would say just to try it little by little, just because we are nowadays pregnancy is being classified as a disease, and if you are seeing a doctor, you are not seeing maybe a traditional midwife or whatever it is. Doctors will tell you not to use certain things because they don't know a lot about it. Or sometimes we ourselves, because we are in a modern world, we really don't know a lot about a lot of things that are natural and closer to us, right? So we tend to shun away from those things that are really good for our body, and they are closer to us than the chemical produced stuff in the factory. Okay, so this is what I have. I added a little bit of the black seed, and then I'm going ahead to add some peanut butter. Okay, so peanut butter is gonna go in right now. Okay, so this is the peanut butter, and then the peanut butter, I'm gonna add a little bit if I see that I have a thick batter. Okay, if I don't have a thick batter, then I would just leave it like that. So I added about quarter cup, you should say quarter cup to 3/4 of a cup. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix everything together, and then I will add a little bit of maple syrup so that it adds some sweetness to it. teeny tiny bit, not too much. And then I'll add some chocolate chips, the cherry on the cake. Then mix everything together. Okay, so this is how it comes out. I'm not sure if you're seeing it properly. I think I moved my video too close. Right, so this is better. Okay, this is how it came out, and as easy as it can be. Very, very easy. It takes about 5 minutes to finish up this recipe. Very easy. So to add even more elements to this recipe, I'm gonna also add some collagen powder. And collagen powder is great, especially during pregnancy and postpartum as well. So just to add some protein to the recipe, so I'm gonna add just about 1 scoop of collagen powder here. You can choose to add more. Collagen powder is great. Has about 20 grams of protein with only 2 scoops. All right, so, and then I'll add a little bit of the peanut butter because it looks like it is a little thick, just to make it. And then when it's thick, you add a little bit of peanut butter. If it is light, it's sticky. If it is sticky, you add some oats or hemp seed or chia seed, depending on what you think you like best. Okay, so there's no right or wrong way to make this. It's very, very easy. And this is very easy. You can put it in a parchment paper in a baking pan, and like press it hard like that on a baking pan, and then make it into bars, or you can just roll it up to be in a ball form and keep it in the refrigerator. Okay, so I'm gonna wash my hands and then I'll roll it. All right, so hands are washed, and then I'll roll this thing that's so beautifully tasting. Okay, so this is the consistency that I'm gonna get. Okay, you can choose to make it thicker, you can choose to make it lighter or stickier, whatever it is, you can choose to do. Okay, so this is it. As simple as that. Okay, but it's packed with fiber from the rolled oats, fiber from the chia seed, fiber from the hemp seed. Hemp seed has just a teeny tiny bit of fiber, but then it's packed with a whole lot of fiber. It's packed with protein from the hemp seed, healthy fat from the hemp seed and chia seed, and we have a little bit of the chocolate chips that is also excellent in helping with sleep and just to satisfy your sweet taste, your sweet tooth. Okay, so I'm gonna put this, roll it quick, and then put it in the refrigerator. You can choose to put it in the refrigerator right away, or you can just right away when you finish, you enjoy it. Okay, so this is what I got. I'm gonna quickly roll it, and then I'll be done with the recipe in less than 5 minutes. If not, because I've been talking, I will be done. So you can also decide, you can also choose to add some more elements. You can choose to add some coconut flakes, because I like coconut flakes in energy balls. Very, very delicious. Okay, so you can choose to add that if you want, or you can switch the maple syrup with honey, because honey is also a sunnah food. It is prophetic inspired food, so we love our honey. Okay, I love my honey, so you can choose to use that instead of the maple syrup, and you are good to go. Okay. So this is how easy this is. And then you can decide to make it into a ball, into bars, and you enjoy it at night when you go into sleep. And you don't feel like maybe a full meal is something that you desire, and you don't also want to skip skip eating something before you go to bed. We want to increase your breast milk supply. Oats are great in doing that. Okay, so oats are classified as galactagogue, and galactagogue are substances that are believed to increase breast milk supply. So when you use oats, it's really, really helpful. So this is as easy as this recipe can be, and I hope you try it. If you are right now, I know some of you will be there snuggling with your babies and feeling cozy. This is easy recipe that you can just get up and spend 5 minutes and make. Okay, and you enjoy it whilst you are nursing your bundle of joy. All right, so this is it. Okay, I hope you see it. It's as easy as that, and it's very delicious. It's packed with protein, it's packed with healthy fat, and it smells amazing. You can also switch the peanut butter with almond butter or cashew butter, or whatever butter is best for you, that tastes better, or that is accessible to you. You can also switch to use that. Okay, so I think that will be it for now, and I'm so excited that I came on to share with you this beautiful recipe, and I hope you make it. So this recipe is also excellent for everyday use. You don't have to be pregnant, you don't have to be breastfeeding, and you don't have to also be trying to conceive to make this recipe. You can make it at any time, at any stage, and you can enjoy it with everybody in the house, okay? With the kids and with the adults as well. So I hope you try it, inshallah. Until next time, I will see you. Take care and have a wonderful evening, and be in the best of health and iman. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and also share this video if there's even if it is helpful, and or is not helpful. Please do well to share it, and also like this video and subscribe. All right, so assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.